Guys, welcome back to Flathead Garage here. In today's video, we're working on the Honda. Alright guys, and as you can see, I'm just going to give you a quick review how to do this. You get you a socket that fits on the crank bolt, and then turn it to top dead center. As you can see, on these 300s, I've not seen a clear video. I've only seen on the 300 four tracks. As you can see, there's an arrow right there, and of course somebody's jamming out. Oh my god. As you can see, there's an arrow and then 2 lines on the crank. That's actually Sam jamming out. I can hear his truck. Yeah, that's Sam. Anyways, I think he's listening to gospel or something. Or not gospel, bluegrass. See how this is? And if some of you guys watch my videos, all you could hear with this 4-wheeler is ting, 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 ting. Oh my god. But, okay, I've already fucked with these. He's bringing me some filler gauges right now. As you can see, I've already tightened them down. I don't know why I done that, but I did. Look at that exhaust one. Just get ready for this. Yeah, that is not supposed to be that bad. What in the fuck is that? That's what you hear right there when it's running. When I rev it up, that right there is what you hear, because it's so out of whack. Like, what in the hell? How is it that bad? And if you guys do this yourself, the easiest way to do this, I find, is to pull the front plastics off. There's 2 bolts. You pull the front plastics off. There's a couple bolts, pull the back plastics off. If you have mine, you just unclip the whole back half, and you can just get right to them. It looks pretty clean in there, honestly. It's not bad. Son, you better get ready for this, son. Better get ready. You know when it was tinging? I know why now. God dang. I fucked with the intake one. Did you bring some filler gauges? Yeah. Okay, well, I fucked with the intake one, like, to make it tighter. Okay, see, this is the intake right here. See, like, how
oh my god.
That's not bad. No, see how there's, like, just a little bit of play? I need to tighten them up. Now, watch the exhaust one. No, watch.
Son of a bitch, dude.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Damn.
Look how clean it is in there, though.
That's why he should help you get a reboot kit for it. I said, Papa, I said,
don't.
Motor.
Yeah,
I
don't.
Said, there's no. I said, it's shit.
Yeah. Like, it isn't, like...
The 4-wheeler's not a bad 4-wheeler. Frame and the 4-wheeler's a pretty good 4-wheeler.
I'm gonna show you this, guys, again. God dang. Come over here and look at this, Sam. That's what you hear when it's revving up. Yeah. Come here and look how loose this is. That's supposed to be 15 thou. Yeah. And that's like a 1/4 inch.
Excellent.
Yeah. This is how tight it's supposed to be. Feel this one.
This one. Yeah.
That's what you hear when it's running.
It's going.
That's why it runs like shit. I'm guarantee you.
Well, your exhaust.
Yeah. I'm gonna show you. No, it's the intake, Sam. I'm gonna show you guys. All you do to do this is you loosen this bolt and you tighten the middle one, and you put your filler gauge in there and tighten it till it's just barely rubbing.
You gonna get filler gauge in there?
You just get it in there. You bend it a little bit and get it down in there. But anyways, yeah, that's how you do it. You just loosen this outer nut and then tighten this up with your hand. I guess you're supposed to have a little tiny ass wrench for that, I guess. But yeah, don't let it get like that. I'm doing mine to 005. That's what I seen on YouTube. And I mean, this thing's clever.
That'll be better than, even if I ain't exactly right, it'll be better than what it was.
It's 5,000. Yeah, this is what it's supposed to be like. Look, guys. See how you can just barely move them? They got just a 5,000 clearance. Yeah, it's not supposed to be like that. And that's usually when you get in front, you can probably show it in there better. But
here, get the camera.
When you hear these 4 tracks, or these Honda motors are bad for doing this.
Are they?
Yeah, very. That's why, like, all these 300s, when they get revved, shit loosens up, and that's why you hear them ping so much, like even the dirt bikes. Or, I mean, that's what I've
Those are about
heard.
mine. I've got the same motor, but
Does it don't ping
no,
that
it
bad.
don't.
I mean, God,
Which I
look
ain't
how
ready
much.
to the moon, but
It just has to be that tiny, and it's this
That
much.
is
Like,
crazy.
God dang. Oh, I didn't even loosen him yet. Hell. I don't think he's ever been adjusted, so. Then you just back this one off and tighten the middle one. I actually need something to tighten that one with, because, like, it's old and they're good. I mean, it's not dirty. I mean, hell, yeah, let me get a little tool for that. Or maybe no pliers or something, because it's fucking hard to get your hand in there. Oh, God. You think you could tighten that and I hold this camera? Because it's kind of hard for me to do. Yeah, here. Just like bend over top of it. Like, yeah. And then just tighten that middle one. You might be able to get it with your hand actually better. Hell,
it's my hand.
yeah. Just spin that middle one. It'd probably take a while for it gets to tighten up. Because, God. Dang. You loosen that nut off again. You're tightening that nut up. Yeah, let's back it off. Like, it's honestly needs some new rockers, because that shit's pretty loose. She's getting low.
If I could get it like right here.
I don't know. I don't know why they made it like that.
They might be like a tool for it or something, but
Probably is. Like that is.
that old Flathead garage, we ain't got a tool like that.
I don't think we'll even be able. That's almost as good as we'll be able to get it. Honestly. I mean, there's still quite a bit of play there, but hell, I mean, you really can't tighten it up anymore.
Let me hold this.
Yeah.
Maybe get towards autofocus over there. There we go.
I don't think we'll be able to get it to 5,000.
Well, how'd you get the front back one over?
It wasn't as fucked up as this one. It's about as good as we're gonna get it. I mean, it's gonna be a little better. I mean, better than a damn 1/4 inch. Still, I mean, it sucks, but you know what I mean? Plus, there's play side to side in this too. Like, it's honestly not tight. Is that one loose? Yeah, it's loose. I have some tiny wrenches. Oh, they're that tiny though. Yeah, I don't think I got any that tiny. Oh, I might do. I mean, God, like the tiniest wrench we've seen in my life.
Hey, you got like them little bitty vice grips, like on a keychain?
Them would work perfect for
Yeah.
that. I'll just try to do it with them. What'd you do though? No. Shit. Probably almost better just do it with my hand. I ain't really even worried about getting this feeler gauge in here. I might tighten them up as good as I can get them. I really want to get them to 5,000 to see how good this thing runs. Because my God. That's about as the back one started out as. So. You know what I mean?
Think if I hold that nut, it might help a little bit.
No. Where's them little things? Yeah. Let me try this. I don't know, these are not what this made for, but. All the ones I've seen has had a little flathead right here instead of this little square head. So.
Oh no, I don't know why they do that.
No, that's probably as low as I'm gonna go. I'm gonna push this one in a little bit more because it ain't that even by looking at it. All this damn Ford's a piece of shit, but it's a good one. If it wasn't a Honda, it probably, I mean, it goes out to all them two-step boys out there. Just kidding. Alright. Okay, that's as low as I'm gonna go. It's only held on there about 2-3. Alright. Oh, there's a torch back for that. Oh. I get the right torch back on these. Alright, let me get the back ones. Alright, they're all good. Torque specs on all of them. You want to not warm your engine up and just rev it to the moon. So, right after you do this. But honestly, these come off there like no problem at all. I don't think, yeah, that one's the front one. I don't think they matter, but yeah, that one's a little tighter on the front one. I don't have no gaskets or anything, but yep. I like how right on top of these they say 10 mil.
It'll done throw all the oil out the bottom before it gets up there. Alright.
Well, I mean, it's got up here a little bit. I mean, shit. I don't even know how. Like, this motor's just amazing me. Tell you one thing, these little old Hondas, they surprised me. Definitely surprised me. See, I like how they put 10 mil and this is a 10 mil. I'm gonna start it up at this. I mean, that is just oof. It's crazy. No, I'm just kidding. I'll never run them.
Carburetor.
Yeah. Rebuild it like an engine, but alrighty. That was about 3,000 foot-pounds. Now you want to get them to right where they're starting to back off, and then you'll be good. Like when you feel they're starting to, like they're fixing to come undone again, that's where you want to get them at. Alrighty. And now I'm gonna slowly put this fuel gauge in my pocket
all
and walk
the way
out
back
here.
around until it gets tight again. Then you screwed up. So.
Yeah. Alright. Then you just want to slam it back together.
Then you just want to sit down, all shit, and go redline it.
Yeah.
Then adjust them again.
Yeah. Got it down here. I done showed them this. But right here's where you see if you're at top dead center, there's a little arrow up in there with 2 lines on the...
Can they see it?
No. Now they can probably see it. Get it. As you can look up in there, there's 2 little lines on the crankshaft, and there's a line up in there. I done showed you guys, but you better see it when you do this. God dang it.
Central power.
If you guys are just wanting to get a car, good gas mileage stuff, get that car right there. Show them. Get a Sentra. I swear to God, dude. That thing's got almost 260,000 miles on it. It's still fired. You heard it fired up like nothing.
I bet if I heard it from this far.
Hey, better.
Dude, that car's louder than my truck.
Yeah, I know. Alright. And then this shit. I actually changed the gaskets on this because I thought the gasket was leaking, but I happened to come upon a damn hole through the back of the block. You can't see that, but a chain snapped. Went back of the block. Alrighty. But a train went to the back of the block. So
I thought that was that car. I was like, what the heck? Golly, Ethan, what'd you do? Side of your jacket stuff.
oh hell, this thing's
Oh
washed.
my gosh.
It's a fresh new life on this thing.
Just got it washed and done that? Oh my
Done
goodness.
what? No. Yeah, it did get washed and do that. I guess in the dryer or washer it got hung up in there and started fighting with the other clothes. And, I'm just kidding.
Got a little beat up.
Yeah. What the hell is that? Yeah. But this is an aftermarket pipe for this 4-wheeler. I had to dent this in. When I first got this thing, it didn't even have 2 bolts in the head holding the exhaust on. It only had one. It had a humongous exhaust leak. So that could have been a cause of the valves getting loose, I guess. I don't know. I've not done enough of it to figure out how that shit works. All I know how to do is tighten them and or adjust them. I don't know. Because most of the time these lawnmowers, you don't really have to adjust the valves. I would also like to adjust the valves on the Craftsman. Well, I mean, we could.
Yeah.
If we go. Just because it smokes a little and we could see if that's what it is. There we go.
Could be, because I know over the years they will get out of line.
Yeah. We're not done with that, but we're going to set it right there. And then now, I got to tighten this carburetor clamps back up. I thought I was going to pull the carburetor off, but then I realized, you know what? Let me try to pull the front plastics off. And if you guys do this, pull the front plastics off. It is so easy. There's only 2 bolts. And all you got to do is unhook the in between the gas tank. But when you pull the gas tank out, you have to do that anyway. So once you do that, there's only 2 bolts holding the front end on. Front plastics.
Yeah, front end.
Yeah. And I know these are not the right clamps, but they work. So I guess we could try it. It's still a little bit of chicken. Dude, it worked.
Yeah.
Oh my God, guys, it actually revs up now. Oh my God, guys. You heard that?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh, my hands on. Guys, you can see it's dark. You know, the semi-race Cyrus left. And I just want to tell you guys, I ain't going to drive the 4-wheeler. I've been driving the 4-wheeler, but I'm not going to drive the 4-wheeler anymore until I get a clutch cable. Because I don't like doing that. And, yeah, so I'm going to get clutch cable. Just look forward, like I said last video. There's some cool videos coming. We got stuff in the line, me and Sam both. So we're going to get some riding footage of the Hondas again. Because I give Sam a carburetor. I'm probably fixing to go talk to him in a second. But, yeah. So he's got him a carburetor. I got me my 4-wheeler back. It runs good. It actually opens up because the valves is bad. Or it stuttered real bad. And I finally figured that out. Watched the video on it on YouTube. Thank goodness there's YouTube. But, of course, some dude in his old beautiful little Chevy comes by and is squealing little fan bell. Anyways, shit, I forgot. Oh, it's getting close to 2020, guys, and YouTube's gonna have a big change. And I've already got some warnings from YouTube. I made a video a while back called Friday Night with the buddies, Friday Night with my buddies, or something like that. It ain't on YouTube now, so you can't watch it. It got took down because it wasn't child friendly. I mean, damn. But anyways, this video might get took down because I said that in it. But yeah, so it's serious. I'm not gonna stop cussing. That's for damn sure. But the dang, I don't even know if we'll make it to 1,000 subscribers. Like, it's that bad. But yeah, so I was gonna let you guys know that it's YouTube, like all your favorite YouTubers. It's gonna be crazy. It's called like Cuba or something like that. That's the name of it. You look it up on YouTube. And yeah, so if you made it this far, if you care about this channel that much, you'd know. But yeah, guys, so see you guys in the next one. Hopefully I can keep making videos. So see you guys in the next one.